have tried to configure it so that it can be easier for you to understand. So you just type, you just call it by using HTOP. You just type HTOP. Okay, so that's how it displays. It has a, you can scroll this side. Let me use a mouse here. Moment. Well, when you look at this, it has different options, and the options, some of them are shown here. F1, which calls for hop, setup, search, and many options here. So you can go through and you can trace wherever you want using this. And when I try to take you through where you see here, this just shows the CPU average of which that user is being. So when you look here, root takes part of the biggest proportion, but there are other users here. So you can sort and see who is using by using the sort commands, which I'm going to take you through. And there is what we call the time that that process has been taking. So you can go through and see and what commands it's being taken. As well, you can see the server uptime, the time in which the server has been up, it has been running. And as well, you can see what the tasks, all these tasks have been running. So each and everything is shown here, and it can show you the average, the RAM, which is the total RAM, and the RAM which is being occupied so far. So as well, those are the few steps I can take you through. So okay, so when you try to see, if I want to sort this, if I want to see sort this by, I can use F6 and I sort by, when you look at the screen, you look at where I'm typing, I'm trying. So let's sort by percentage of CPU. Okay, so you can see and that I've sorted them. So the one on top will be the one having highest percentage of usage on the CPU. So that is one way option. As well, we can there is other option where you can select a user by just using the board, and you search the user. For instance, if I select this user, I will just lock him and I select and I type L on my keyboard. So for this, they will show me, or this tool will show me the kind of traffic or the processes which this user have been running through my server. So when you try to look through that of WhatsApp, Facebook, and so on. So I'm not going to crack down this because I'll just end on that, because if I go deeper, then the video will turn out to be a threat to some of my clients. So that is one option, and to show you that has been using IP4 and IP4. So I just click escape, and even if I try to choose another user, for instance, which one here? Okay, let me choose this. Okay, I lock him, I type L. Okay, I can go through and I see some of the stuffs he has been communicating with. So these are the tools which you need to manage your server and monitor and protect your server from harm. However, there are tools for this one. It needs when you have some good knowledge about this, but it has a hop command if you want to go through and see the easiest steps. If you don't know how to use it, but you just want to go through, you can just type H. You type H on your keyboard, and after typing H, it will show you the hop menu. So you can go through and see what you want to see, and if you select that option, so for instance, the L command which you've been using is there. So you can see that each and everything is written there. So each and every command you have used in each and every tool we have used in this script or in this video, in this video it has the HTOP menu. If at all I've not explained what you want, you can go through and check. For instance, if I use the HTOP method, the HTOP, it has also the HTOP command. So if I use so this one is kind of, if I try to show us for, okay, so I wanted to see full page. So okay, so don't mind, I'm using an Android device, and so if I press H, it will show me the HTOP menu. I hope you're seeing it. Okay, I escape, Control C, and even if it's HTOP, the same. Even if it is nload, the same. Okay, when you type H. Okay, nethogs, sorry, I've used the wrong command. Okay, it's all the same. So if I type H, okay, so I think that's we had for today. I believe if I've missed out something, don't forget to leave me a comment in the description of this video as well. If we need to talk to me, I'll leave some of the commands or some of the emails and WhatsApp, each and everything which you need, so that you're able to communicate to me. For that, I remain SCOT UG, and God bless.